Oi! Welcome to Riad Dar Jabel, Marrakech, Morocco. Would you like to take a tour? Come on in, let me show you guys around. So once you come in, you have this absolutely beautiful entrance with small but very delicate details everywhere. Come on, let me close the door right behind you. And if you go up these stairs, which we will go in just a second, it's absolutely beautiful there. But right down here, we start off with a beautiful lounge area. And there's a living area right in here. And right at the middle, there's a courtyard, which is the center of everything. And if you actually look up, you'll see that every room and every entrance has some sort of view that overlooks this beautiful courtyard area. And then right down here, you have the entrance of your first room, which is actually my personal favorite room. It's beautiful, and it's one of the reasons that we're staying here in this riad. I love this bed. I kind of want to steal the entire decor of this house for my own personal house, but every small little place you look, there's just so many details, and everything seems to be handmade, like the walls full of details. And I kind of like this step-up thingy here. Not sure what it is, but it's pretty cool, pretty cool. And then once you come down here, again, little details. This is for the towel, a very nice towel rack. And then right over here behind you guys, we have the only window that has access to the outside world. As you can see, the riad is really built for seclusion and relaxation in mind, but for the outside world, they want to stay private and kind of shut down all that interaction. So it's a really small window, and you can see it's not even easy to try and open it. You probably shouldn't even want to open that. You don't want anyone peeking inside here. Not in Morocco. And then, so let's show you guys upstairs. Let's go. Oh, I forgot to show you this beautiful place. I noticed you were looking. It's a very nice fountain, actually, and just kind of ties the room together. It's very peaceful, brings you a very soothing energy. This whole house actually brings you just so peaceful and relaxing. So once you go up the stairs, you can see that there's just details everywhere in the wall. Everything is so beautiful, handmade. Every small little corner you see, there's details. The stairs are just amazing. The attention to detail, on point, which again is something very, very consistent here in Morocco. So then once you come up here, there is a tiny little bathroom that's kind of a guest bathroom. Nice, cute, neat, pretty simple bathroom. So as you finish reaching the second/third level of the riad, you will have an entrance to the second bedroom, which is also absolutely beautiful, very minimal, and just very basic bedroom. So then right in here, you have your kitchen area. Basic utensils, working water, very important. A little mini fridge, coffee stuff, and yeah. The last room I have to show you guys I think is the prime reason why this house is so amazing. Let's go. Come on. So once you reach up here, you have this beautiful balcony. This is just amazing. What a place to lounge, to relax. Really, it's just beautiful here. The place kind of speaks for itself, right? I don't even need to say much about it. That's the tour of this beautiful riad that we're staying here in Marrakech, Morocco. And I hope that it comes out as peaceful as it feels, because this is just an incredible experience. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tour. If you did, please don't forget to show back your support, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Mwah. Ciao.